What happens to a fly in a Venus flytrap when the trap can't seal properly and the fly is half caught? We'll have a look in this video in extreme macro of what happens to a fly such as this. The Venus flytrap's greatest strength in catching its prey is sweet nectar which flies cannot resist, and they end up trapped. So I was here in my carnivorous plant room last night receiving these amazing new carnivorous plants. These new plants were settling in nicely under my grow lights in my carnivorous plant room that I call the den. Just as I was watching them, I could hear a fly somewhere in the room, somewhere around me. The next day I returned to the den to check on the plants, and I find the fly has been trapped and half caught. It's not unusual for this to happen with fly traps. I've seen it with lots of different insects, from wasps to giant beetles with grasping mandibles, right through to hairy caterpillars. Sometimes it doesn't end the same way, and sometimes the flies can escape and the insects can crawl free. But in this case, this fly is fully trapped. It's likely this fly almost made an escape, but its abdomen has been caught, and as you can see, the teeth of the fly trap are bending outwards, which means it is fully committed, sealed and ready for digestion. It's unlikely the fly will survive this encounter. I'd usually take the fly out because it can sometimes damage the traps. Because it's so sealed, not going to happen. The fly will have to stay in and we'll see what happens. The sealed fly gives me a chance to do some detailed macro footage with my camera. Switching angles to look at the complexities of these amazing creatures and these amazing fly traps as well. As I move around to film, the fly reacts, watching my every move. In the end, it becomes nothing more than a dinner for this Venus flytrap, providing the plant energy and nutrients to continue growth. Sometimes flies can escape, sometimes not. This time I think this encounter is going to end badly for the fly.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.